In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search Google Maps with latitude and longitude. If you've ever needed to find an exact spot that doesn't have a clear street address, like a scenic overlook, a trail marker, or a point in the middle of a large park, coordinates are the most precise way to get there. I'll walk you through the process and share a few tips so your search lands exactly where you expect. Start by opening Google Maps on your PC. Use your preferred web browser and go to the Google Maps website. You don't need to sign in for this, but a stable internet connection helps the map load and update smoothly. Next, click the search bar at the top of the page. This is where you'll enter your coordinates. Google Maps expects latitude first, then longitude, and they should be separated by a comma. Latitude tells you how far north or south you are, and longitude tells you how far east or west you are. A positive latitude means north, and a negative latitude means south. For longitude, positive means east and negative means west. A typical entry might look like 37.4218, 122.0840. Notice the comma between the two values. That comma matters. Spaces are fine, but keep the comma as the separator and use a period for decimals. If your coordinates are in degrees, minutes, and seconds, you can type those too. For example, you can include degree symbols and direction letters, and Google Maps will interpret them correctly as long as latitude comes first and longitude second. The most common mistake is swapping the order or missing a negative sign, which can send you to the wrong side of the globe, so take a second to double-check what you type. After you've entered the latitude and longitude, press Enter on your keyboard. Google Maps will jump to that exact point and drop a pin on the map. If the view looks unexpected, like water instead of land, recheck the signs and the order of the numbers you entered. Finally, click the result pin to view the exact location. This will highlight the point and show additional details on the map, making it clear you've selected the correct spot. You'll see the coordinates confirmed, and you can visually verify landmarks around the pin to ensure accuracy. That's all you need to precisely search Google Maps with latitude and longitude. Open Google Maps on your PC, click the search bar, enter the coordinates with a comma between latitude and longitude, press Enter, and click the pin to view the exact location.